Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Inside BMW Group Classic. My name is Christoph and I don't really know where Benny is, but he will show up in one point. Today's episode is gonna tell you a story about something that another big German manufacturer is actually more famous for. Let's just call a taxi! There's Benny, and there's my taxi. This is our 501 taxi. It's built 1955, and it really was a taxi running in Munich.
It ran for 15 years, over 1 million kilometers. The cab driver handed it over to us, to our collection, and in return he got a BMW 1500. And then we put this one in storage and rediscovered it 4 decades later.
We restored it so that everything would function, but we left it as is wherever the parts are not critical, so you can still see that this car has been running for 1 million kilometers plus. Of course, rust was removed where necessary, but we left it where it doesn't hurt the car any further.
The upholstery, the carpets, everything looks the way we got it in 1970, but with the difference that this is now running. What also works is the taxi clock. So the car would be able to run as a taxi today. The only thing is that you would have to carry Deutschmarks with you because the taxi clock is running on Deutschmarks and not on euros. This is the V8, and in fact it's the very first German-produced V8 alloy engine after World War II. During the restoration process, the engine was opened up and the mechanics found out that it doesn't look too bad, even if it has driven more than 1 million kilometers. So they put it back together, tried it, and it ran. And this was a turning point for this restoration, because from then on we decided to get it full road going, to get everything done, and to reach for the German TÜV-Plakette.
Yeah, so to get it registered. And in order to show you how much love for detail our colleague Dieter has, who is responsible for registering all our cars, follow me to the back, I'll show you something cool. So this looks like a very normal Munich number plate with the H for historic, M for Munich, and now AT4064. So if you cut this off, remember MAT406, because, tada, this was the original number plate from back then. You can tell by the patina, this is really old. While it's an exhibition here, we leave this one off, we put it in the boot, and we only use these if it's driven outside, which of course is possible. So that's very smart. Dieter, well done.
So guys, that's it for today, but Christoph, you called a taxi.
You're right. Shall we pretend to go to Hofbräuhaus?
Yeah, why not? Hop in. Ready?
Bye guys, servus, thanks for watching.